Hi everybody, it's Ami and today is the long-awaited day. I've received my binder from gc2b. So, I received the email notification that my package had arrived just like an hour ago, and I ran, like I was still at work, and when I finally was done with work, I literally ran to the train and got on it and came here as soon as possible. Like I was so fast, my heart was racing so much. Like this is, oh my gosh, so exciting. Anyways, I'm wearing my adorable pullover from Kawaii Goods on Etsy and Store NB. But let's start with this, shall we? So it came in this envelope. It was taken in by customs, but I didn't have to pay any fees. So that was nice because they're from America. I am in Europe, so it could have been some sort of money paying. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh. There it is. Oh. There it is. Oh my gosh. I got it in a really big size because obviously I wanted to get it in the right size, so I measured myself, and in their measurements I am a 2XL, and I got it in the nude number 4. I think that's actually a really good match for my skin. Like, look at that. That's not bad. I mean, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Anyways, they have like a, obviously like a info like sheet, like a care sheet, and they also send you your receipt, and you also get this. I think this is a sticker, a gc2b sticker. It's a little sticker. That's really nice. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I think it's a sticker at least. Okay, yeah, it's definitely a sticker. But yeah, oh my gosh. Here it is. So I will try this on, not on camera because I'm scared. Oh my gosh, and we'll see each other in a second. Wow. I got it on pretty quickly actually. I mean, at first you're like, how the hell am I gonna get it down my back? Also, like, this weird flap of skin is really weird, but like, damn. This, I'm looking at myself in my camera, I'm really sorry about that. I know some people don't like that at all. But like, wow, this is really my skin color, I think. I mean, as close as you can get, right? I can actually breathe very well. I guess that's also because I'm technically like an in-between size. But it does restrict my breathing slightly. Actually, not really. It's not bad. And it fits really well. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. This is like, hang on. Look at that. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. No way. Can you see this? I have a flat chest. Obviously I need to try this on together with this pullover, because like I want to see obviously how it looks like. No way. This is so flat. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. This is incredible. I can't believe this. No way. This is like flat. Like, I mean, as flat as I can be. Like, what? Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Oh my god. I should probably like show you like a comparison picture. I forgot to do that. So this is what it looks like with me not wearing anything. No bra, just, you know, chest. And yeah, this is what that looks like. And this is what it looks like with the binder. Holy shit. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I will update you guys over the weeks, like as soon as I start wearing it more and more, because you're supposed to do that gradually. Like first you're supposed to wear it for like a few hours and then gradually move on, and finally you are supposed to be able to wear it until like 8 hours or something. 6 to 8 hours is like the maximum, I guess, which is doable, I think. So it's day 2 of wearing my binder. I just wanted to update you guys on how I'm doing. So today I wore my binder outside for the very first time. I wore it for 2 hours, I think. I took a sports bra with me just in case, and then I did change into that after those 2 hours in like the bathroom, which I think that's a good way of doing it. Like if you wanna like wear it outside, like in the first week or so, take along a sports bra and then go change in like the bathroom or somewhere where you're safe, and change into that after a while. And even if you feel like, at first I felt like, oh my god, this is so comfortable. It is so freaking comfy. Seriously, it's more comfortable than most bras I've ever worn in my entire life. Seriously. Also appearance-wise, obviously. But like, just the way this binder is made, it's just meant to be so comfortable. It's meant to be for like 8 hours, I guess. Like it's so nice. I am absolutely amazed by the quality. And at first I didn't even want to take it off. I was like, oh my god, this is so comfortable. I don't even notice it that much. I can breathe perfectly and stuff. But when you take it off, you do notice that, whoa, this is a lot of pressure on your chest, especially when you have bigger chests. And I also have some back problems, and that doesn't really help, I guess. Like all the compression stuff, but it wasn't bad at all. Like I wasn't in pain or anything. I just noticed that there was a lot of pressure in my chest, and as soon as I put on my my sports bra, it was just a lot more free, and I could breathe a lot more easily. Not that it was restricting my breathing. It was just noticeable that there was a change. Yeah. So, but yeah, I'm very happy. It seems to be very nice for me. I'll just have to get used to it, and I will keep you guys updated. Definitely check out gc2b. I will link down their store, and also their Instagram if you want to check that out, because they're really nice on there as well. I'm very active, so check that out. They also have lots of giveaways on there as well. Anyways, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye bye.